Now, let us go to the content analysis research approach. According to my source, there are definitions or different definitions that my source provided. First, these are any techniques for making inferences by systematically and objectively identifying special characteristics of messages from Holstein 1968. So, there are various special characteristics of message, and in order for that to determine, content analysis can be used as a technique for making inferences systematically and objectively. So the second one, content analysis, is an interpretive and naturalistic approach, and it is both observational and narrative in nature and relies less on the experimental elements normally associated with scientific research, reliability, validity, and generalizability. In this part, the content analysis is used as an approach in interpreting the reliability, validity, and generalizability of the research. So for the third definition, a research technique for the objective, systematic, and quantitative description of the manifest content of communication. This is from Berelson 1952. So, the content analysis approach tries to describe the content of communication according to its flow. It can be through numbers or words and letters existed within the study. So, this content analysis is very helpful in a way that it tries to analyze deeply or explain deeply or have a description on what the research trying to say or what the content trying to explain to people or to the audience. Aside from that, there are two types of content analysis. These are the conceptual analysis and the relational analysis. So in terms of conceptual analysis, it determines the existence and frequency of concepts in a text. So in terms of conceptual analysis, it tries to analyze the different text, the different message, the different frequency or numbers that exist on the particular study. So in terms of the frequency, the numbers or the levels, the measures will be analyzed as well. On the other hand, the relational analysis tries to examine or develops how those different texts related to one and another. So it develops the conceptual analysis further by examining the relationships among concepts in a text, and it also determines the existence and frequency of the concepts in a text. So each type of analysis may lead to the different results, conclusions, interpretations, and meanings. So the main purpose of this research is that it tries to organize and elicit meaning from the data collected and draw realistic conclusions from it. So through understanding the data collected, realistic findings will come out. And that is why content analysis approach is very important to be applied or utilized by the researcher in their studies.